Namaste friends. In this video I am going to show you how to calculate sum of the values, sum of square, mean, variance of population, variance of sample, standard deviation of sample and standard deviation of population for a given data. We have taken a simple data 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and we would be using this calculator. So before we switch to calculation part, I would like to show you this shift key. So the shift key, here the shift is written in the yellow. So when we press the shift key, all the symbols that are in yellow, that got activate. So now let's first do our first step. The first step would be press shift, then yellow gets activated. So yellow here is CLR, that means clear. So clear, we want to clear everything. So 3 equal to. What this will do, this will delete all the previous data that is present in the system. Okay, now press on the mode, then we want this SD. So the symbol is 2, so we will press 2 here and then we will start entering the data. So first value, that is 1, m plus this will add the data into the system. So n equal to 1, that is our first observation is 1. Now we input our second data, that is 2, m plus 3, m plus 4, m plus 5, m plus. Okay, now we will start the calculation. So the first thing that I would like to calculate is summation of x. So shift, press 1. Here summation of x has symbol 2. So press 2 and then equal to, that is 15. So sum of all this value is 15. Again press shift 1. We want sum of square. So 1 equal to, that is 55. So sum of square of all this value is 55. Now we want to calculate mean. So again shift, press 2. The mean has the first position. So 1 equal to. So the mean is 3. Now we want to calculate the sum of square. So shift and then press 2. Now here sigma x, that means the standard deviation of the population. So we will press 2 and equal to. So that is 1.41. We get this value. So we get the standard deviation of the population. Also we want the variance of the population. So variance of the population is square of this value. So square equal to. So we got this value sigma square p, that is variance of the population. Now we want to calculate the standard deviation of the sample. So shift 2 and then 3. Here Sx, that is the standard deviation of the sample. So press 3 equal to. So the standard deviation of the sample is 1.58. Here there is only a change in the formula. In the denominator we have n minus 1 instead of n. So now we get this value. We want the variance of the sample, so we will square it, 2.5. Okay, now our calculation part is done. So again we follow this routine, shift, clear all, equal to. So this will clear all these values. Our system will now have, if we go for second time for calculation, it will have the fresh data. So this was all about the calculation by using this calculator. Thanks for watching this video.
If you like my work, please do subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications.